Welcome back to Convicted Creations, and on today's show, I've got a super special friend of mine, Damian Rue. We go back, I don't know what, 30 years?
Just about.
It's a lot of gray hair ago. So, yeah, we knew each other well before prison, thankfully. This isn't one of the friends I met in there. This is one I met before and after. So I know I came on episode 1 and I did ice cream. I did a little bit of my style, how we did it. Well, the old school cat's going to come show us how they used to do it back in their day.
First, this little spread, whatever you want to call it, it's going to take a little bit of planning. You can get a lot for a honey bun in the joint. So you're going to need to get from the kitchen some pudding. I know you're not going to have this kind of milk, but you got to get some milk. You're going to need to get ice, salt for the ice, and whatever kind of candy bars and whatnot you want to add to the concoction when you're done. Now, when we did this, we had, like you see here, a 5-gallon bucket full of ice. You put the salt all over that, and you get a little container on the inside. It was 4 of us kicking back in a cell watching, I think, the premiere of Gone in 60 Seconds. So yeah, we took 15 minutes. Every 15 minutes we'd unscrew it, scrape the frozen stuff off the side, just keep going and keep going.
Look at that.
You know, you sit there for an hour, and then your last hour you could sit there and eat your ice cream and watch the movie.
What do we have here for filler today?
Depends on what you want. Today we've got Twix and Snickers, a couple of my favorites. So as you're mixing it about halfway through, you dump those in and just keep mixing it.
Let's go.
Mixing
Grab
it,
that thing and spin her up.
Okay.
Tilt it right there, and then we'll dump it in. There we go. Spin that bad dog up.
And we just sit, spin, watch your movie while you spin, look at it during the commercials.
Don't use a
those all
knife
suck.
because you don't have one of those in there, but we'll cheat today just for TV. Man, I finally found a prison recipe I would eat on the streets.
Yes. Yep. And it's actually pretty good. I wish you'd had time to set up right now, but
Hey, you know what? I like milkshakes too.
right on. Me
Let's
too.
handle it. So you just pour it in.
Yeah.
Look at that bad boy. That's better than Dairy Queen. But I'm not gonna flip it upside down to see if it stays in the cup. Though.
No, let's not do that right now.
Let's not. Cheers, my friend.
Salud.
Salud. I just gained 6 pounds.
Pretty tasty.
That was really good.
Not bad at all.
Not bad at all. Thanks for joining me today on this show, Damian. I appreciate
Absolutely.
it. After 30 years, I never thought we'd be sitting here making prison ice cream together. I'm just glad we're doing it out here.
Yeah, me too.
If you'd like to catch this episode or any of our episodes or even the cookbook, go to hempfulfarms.com, grab the book today, check out our nonprofit, zonkamiles.org, and read about why we do the show. And also, go over to hatersmakemefamous.com. We've got a podcast that we've been doing for a while. We'd love to have you check us out there too as well. And at the end of the day, just remember why we're here. We're here to free the inmates. Let these guys come home and quit doing time for drugs and for plants.
Amen.
Amen. Last thing, haters make me famous.